Imagine a world with no problems. Sounds peaceful, right? But hold on, wouldn't it also be dreadfully dull? Earl Nightingale, an American radio speaker and author, once said, "Problems are challenges to creative minds. Without problems, there would be little reason to think at all." Deep, isn't it? Imagine, no hurdles to jump, no mountains to climb, no records to break. Sounds like a sportsman's nightmare. It's the challenges that drive us, that push us to our limits and beyond, that make us strive for greatness. So the next time you're faced with a problem, don't shy away. Embrace it, for it's an opportunity to think, to create, to excel. Remember, no problems, no progress. So turn your problems into your power. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time with another nugget of wisdom.